Okay? So I try to lay it, take it from a circle and lay it in as a circle. I'm just being generous again. 9-inch pen to keep it from blowing all over. But since I have it, all I'm doing is I'm lightly tapping the top and I'm flattening this thing out to make a flat circle. I'm not indenting anything. I'm just making a, okay. You see the air, the fermentation starting to come up now.
Yeah.
So then I bring it down here. Now from here I can do the same thing. But now I'm going to stop trying to touch the crust so much. Whereas Lucali, the guy will take a bottle and he'll roll this thing, man. The crust will naturally come back up. You know, it will come up, whatever the, you know, but I'm going to define it on how thick I want it, right? So, yeah, that's good for me, right? I'm pushing into the crust. I can take my hand over here if I want, like this, and define it. Turn it around, do the same thing. But if I can get something like this, I'm not touching the middle either. There's a hump in the middle. That's what you want to go out. The strength is in here. If I touch too much the middle, I'm in trouble. Now you can do, you know, come back. You can push it forward, right? You can get a little semolina under there. I use a little bit, and I watch certain dudes, they load it up. But you want it to smooth, and you're pulling this way and it's sliding under this hand and you're just stretching the edge a little. I don't go too far on this, but I will smack it to get some of the air out, right? And I will try to define crust. The Italians will go like this, you know, but I want to be more accurate. I can, if I think it's too big, I can push it in a little, define it. And then from here, I'm just getting the knuckles towards the edge. I'm staying away from the middle. I'm going to come over the peel. You see it's pretty even. But if I stretch it too much in the middle, it's going to get light. Sorry, Albert, you're going to have to edit that one out. And I don't need a lot of semolina, actually, if I've made sure that the bottom has been, you know.
And that's it. No stretching on the peel. No
need. I'll take like
you got everything defined.
I'll take the air bubbles out if I see them. Again, I could use a dough docker if I feel like it's getting too bubbly, but the sauce and the cheese should hold this thing down. You see these air pockets? I like to rip them. There's plenty of air in there. It's going to come out, but the big ones will pop and burn, or will grow, and burn. And I'd rather not have it burn. Some people love it. They swear by it. And that's, you know, a circle.